Good morning, Pranam, Namaste, brothers and sisters. Today I'm going to speak about the mudras. Mudras are very important. There are the our hands, five fingers are in our hands. This the thumb is known as the Agni or fire. The index finger, this index finger is Vayu or wind. This middle finger is Akasha or space. The ring finger Prithvi, earth. The little finger Jala or water. With the help of these fingers, we can make mudras. Our body has 108 marma points. Our rishis, our gurus, our great gurus, they made the marma points into mudras. So we can find 108 mudras that we can sit with Jnana Mudra. This mudra is good for students and those who have the memory losses or something. So the mudra, the touching the tips of the finger and thumbs balances the element represented by the finger. Touching the fingertips at the base of the thumb decreases the element. Touching the thumb tips to the base of the finger increases the element. Touching the tips of the fingers of both the hands increases the power of the five elements. Five elements are Akasha, Bhumi, Vayu, Agni, Jala. Touching the tips of the fingers of both hands increases the power of the five elements, hence, memory is sharpened. A light contact between the tips of the thumb and the fingers is sufficient. One need not apply pressure. Fingers not actively involved in the mudra should be comfortable straight. Whenever possible, perform the mudra. Both the hands perform mudra with one hand when there is problem in the opposite side. Mudra can be practiced anytime, anywhere, while sitting, standing, walking, praying, and traveling, watching TV, listening music, or even while sleeping. We sitting place the palm on the thighs. Mudras can be performed by anybody and facing any direction. Mudras are universal. Chanting of mudras, example, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Narayanaya Namah, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah, or mudras yield great effect. If you chant the mantra of any, the Brahma is, there are three gunas, Rajaguna, Tamoguna and Tejoguna. Brahma is Tejoguna, Vishnu is Rajaguna and Shiva is Tamoguna. The even passive performance of mudras using rubber bands, sticking tapes for unconscious infants, people, or for children while they are sleeping proves the beneficial. Suitable dietary changes and reinforce the benefits of mudras, whereas unsuitable diet may offset the good effect of the mudras. A person's recovery from disease is expanded by combining mudras therapy with correct diet. Mudra therapy can be combined with medicines or yoga therapy. Previously prescribed meditation may be continued till well being is established by the doctor. For general well being, 6 mudras are there to be practiced every day for 10 minutes each. They are Jnana Mudra, Prithvi Mudra, Abhana Mudra, Prana Mudra, Shunya Mudra, Vayu Mudra, Dhana Mudra, etc. etc. During the therapy, the specific mudra is to be practiced for 50 minutes, followed by Prana Mudra. If there is time constant, the 50 minutes practice may be divided into 3 smaller practices consisting of 15 minutes practice of the specific mudra followed by 5 minutes of Prana Mudra. If time permits, this 50 minutes practice may be repeated to resolve the problems quickly. Now I am going to speak about the one of the mudra, that is Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi, the element Prithvi is known as earth. The element Prithvi, earth, is a vital component of bodily tissues like bones, cartilages, skin, hair, nails, muscles, tendons, and internal organs. This element builds and invigorates the tissues and increases vitality, strength, and endurance. This element is associated with smell and hence it helps to overcome nasal disorders. Prithvi also reduces fire. So an overactive acne can be pacified. Formation. Join the tips of the ring finger and the head finger. So this is known as Prithvi Mudra. Since the elements fire and earth have qualities opposites to each other, Prithvi Mudra, when formed, cools the body and reduces the fire and helps overcome disorders of the emaciation, fever, and inflammation. The benefits. What are the benefits of Prithvi Mudra? Chronic fatigue, general debility, weakness after illness, and convalescence recovery time can be overcome. Treats lack of stamina or endurance. Treats emaciation and weight loss. Osteoporosis, osteomalacia, diminished bone density, and rickets can be cured. Fever, if you have fever, you have to sit with the Prithvi Mudra. Immediately the fever will go. Helps to expedite the union of bones in case of fracture. Degeneration of articular cartilages is treated. Helps to strengthen the limbs in poliomyelitis paralysis. Dry, cracked, burning skin is pacified. Fever is pacified. Cures skin rashes and urticaria, the skin allergy can be pacified. Brittle nails are set right. Cuts and wounds are cured. Hair loss and premature graying of hair can be treated with the practice of this mudra. Gray hair, which is recent one, turns black within 7 days. By practicing the mudra daily for 50 minutes, followed by prana mudra for 15 minutes, if the condition is older, then one has to practice this mudra for long duration, these months together. Burning sensation in eyes, stomach, urine, anus, hands or feet is pacified. Aphthous ulcers in the mouth are cured. Jaundice is cured. Fever is pacified. Complexion of skin, radiation with health. The mudra provides A, B, C, D, E, K vitamins. This mudra makes one feel happy and contented, makes the mind generous. Prithvi mudra is a beauty aid. Can shapes eyes, nose, lips by drawing the mudra along the part concerned. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects. Please subscribe my channel